So guys, thank you for my subscribers. I got 566 subscribers and I make 63 videos. So thank you for my subscribers. And next, and thank you for these views. This is all of my views. It's 72.7k. Thank you for all of my likes and views, comments, and shares. So thank you. So I always check my videos here. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe now.